Hey guys, what's going on? So, lots of projects going on here around the house, but one cool thing that is about to happen is we have tons of dead trees over on our property, and there's a logger who I was able to get in contact with, and basically they're interested in all of the pine trees that will not be surviving. There's quite a few of them. I'm not really sure how many, but the faller is going to be there today, so I want to head up there and sort of see what he's up to and see if he won't mind if I film some stuff while he's dropping some trees. I really don't know what it's going to be like, but let's see what happens. So let's head up the hill. Well, I'm out here at the property the day after the faller was here cutting trees down, and there's quite a bit that he cut down. I think he said he had a list of 31 pine trees that he was going to knock down, and we still have several that are, I don't remember what he called these, like skags or something, that they're pretty unsafe to cut down. I mean, you can see that one. I could probably push it over with the tractor pretty easily. So he said those are unsafe to cut down, so they'll wait till the skid is out here and they'll just push it over. Those are sketchy. 3 of them. Yeah, this is opening up the property a lot.